Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dog Man, Fetch-22, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 10, My Fair Lady.
Hello again, folks. I'm Sarah Hathoff reporting from a floating net. We've all been captured by 22 super angry psychokinetic tadpoles, and they're holding us in the sky with their brain powers. How will we ever get out of this mess? Gee, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. And look, Flippy the bionic butterfly fish has joined our fight for good. But there's only 4 of us.
And 25 of us.
How will we ever get out of this mess?
Never fear, Sarah. It's Supa Buddy time!
Hurrah! Meanwhile... Hey, Grandpa! Our prayers haven't answered! Wait, no way! Look! We must eat that gigantic cupcake. It's not real, you know! Only then can we save the world! It's just a sign! Almost there! Meanwhile...
At last, I found you!
Who the heck are you?
Allow me to introduce myself. I'm your new partner in crime.
Partner? What do I need a partner for? Can't you see I'm just about to defeat the Supa Buddies?
Indeed, she was right. The Supa Buddies and their friends had given their all and had put up a valiant fight. Good vibes, but they were outnumbered, outmatched, and out of time.
Yoink.
One by one, our heroes were captured, and the powers of evil grew stronger and stronger.
Look at me! I'm flying, baby! I'm the queen of the world!
But Mommy, we still haven't captured Cat Kid. Well, he must be hiding somewhere, dude.
Now, don't worry about him. What could one tiny kitten possibly do?
Chapter 11, The Cat Kid Conundrum. Meanwhile, in the quiet of night, in the stillness of twilight, a silent sentinel sneaks in the shadows. Swiftly, unsuspecting, he shings his claws, ready to slice. And in this perfect moment, when a swipe from his sharpened sabers promises sweet salvation, he stops.
Hey! I didn't see you back there! You could have clobbered me! I know. You could have sliced us all into sushi! I know. You could have saved all of your friends! I know. But you didn't! Why? I can't hurt you guys. You're just little kids. What's your name? Molly. Oh, I'm Li'l Petey. Hey, guess what? I have a comic club. You do? Yeah, you can join if you want to. But I never made a comic before. It's okay. I can show you how. It's fun. You'll teach me? Of course. That's what friends do. They help each other.
As the two friends talked and laughed, something started to change in Molly, and soon, her Supa anger began melting away.
What's going on here?
Mommy, this is Li'l Petey. He's my friend.
No, he's not. He's your enemy.
But Mommy, I think...
You're not supposed to think. You're supposed to obey.
But Mommy...
Here, take this kitten. All right, children. It's time to destroy the Supa Buddies and their friends. That's right, kiddies. Zap them with your super angry powers. See? Nobody else has a problem with following orders. Now get down there with all the others and do as you're told.
Chapter 12, Good golly, Miss Molly. It is easy to join with the crowd, and even easier to spread anger and hate, but it takes courage to stand alone. And kindness often takes the most courage of all. Molly could not move the mighty tree all by herself, but she could move a branch. And that was all she needed.
Come on, gang. I've got an idea.
They're getting away!
Now let 'em go. What could one tiny tadpole and one tiny kitten and one tiny poodle possibly do?
Dude, seriously?
Hey, what's up, Peter?
Sup?
We need your help, bruh.
Okay,
We need to create an antidote to Supa Brain Dots.
no problem. I'll download the components, then calculate a recipe for a concoction using everyday ingredients.
Sweet! Come on, gang. Let's go find some everyday ingredients.
And soon...
Okay, what next?
Now add 2 teaspoons of ketchup and a dash of paprika. Lastly, pour the mixture into my subcritical fission reactor. 1 nuclear transmutation later, and so...
Okay, we're all ready. Does everybody understand the plan? Okay, good luck.